How are you all? Good? You are staying at home? Okay. So children, welcome to your social science session, and today we are going to do the book work that is given in your My Observation book on page number 37. Okay children, so firstly we will quickly take out our observation books and be ready with your pencils in the hand and your books. So open page number 37. Now children, this is the first question which says state whether the following statements are true or false. So you have to mark true or false for the given statement. So the first statement is plateau is a flat and raised land. तो plateau flat और raised दोनों होता है. It is higher than the surface of the earth than the plains. So it is a true statement. Okay. Next is hills are higher than mountains. तो hills क्या होते हैं? Mountain से higher या smaller? They are higher than the hills or lower than the hills? They are lower than the hills. So I have marked false here. Pond is a small fresh water body. So what is a pond? A fresh water body or not? No, it is not, because it is a man-made. It is a man-made form of water. So it is not a fresh body. So I have written false over here. Wular Lake is in Punjab. No, Wular Lake is in Jammu and Kashmir. So I have written false over here. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean smallest है या biggest है, longest है? It is the smallest ocean. So this statement is true. Now children, we will move to question number 2. That says correct the underlined word in the following statements and rewrite each statement. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको ये स्टेटमेंट रीड करना है. उसको रीड कर ये जो अंडरलाइंड वर्ड है ये रॉन्ग है, आपको इसका करेक्ट वर्ड लिखना है एंड यू हैव टू राइट द एंटायर लाइन. ठीक है, आपको पूरा लाइन लिखना है. वैली इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ टेबल लैंड. वैली टेबल लैंड होती है? नो. सो प्लेट्यू इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड a table land and full stop. So you will write completely like this. Okay, plateau is also called a table land. Plateau का other name is table land. Okay, Valley of Flowers is located in Central India. Central India में क्या मिलता है? It is the Deccan Plateau, not the Valley of Flowers. So the Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand. So children, you will write it completely. Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand and full stop. Plateaus are the low areas of land between hills and mountains. So plateau होते हैं जो mountains और hills के बीच में से आते हैं. No, they are the valleys. So you will write it in a complete sentence. Okay? Now, a pond is a long stream of flowing water. Pond है जो flow करता है continuously. Lake and pond तो flow ही नहीं करते हैं. So it is the river is the long stream of flowing water. River जो होता है वो एक long stream होता है flowing water का. Continuously water flow होता है rivers में से. Okay? Categorize the following words into the groups landform and water bodies. So आपको categorize करना है कि जो आपको given group है, मतलब ये जो आपको options given है, they are the form of land or they are the form of water bodies. So first is given Nile. What is Nile, children? Nile is a water body. So I have written Nile over here. Okay? Then next is Southern Peninsula. What is Southern Peninsula? What is Peninsula, children? It is a form of land. ये land का form है. So I have written Southern Peninsula over here. Okay? Next is Great Nicobar. Nicobar is an island So Nicobar क्या है? Land form. So I have written Great Nicobar over here. Wooler. What is Wooler? A water body. So what we will write? So where we will write Wooler? We will write in water bodies. Here, Wooler. Okay. Next is Krishna. Krishna is a river. Krishna is a river. So where we will write the river? In water bodies. So I have written water bodies में Krishna. Next is Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers is a valley, and valley is a landform. So where do we write landform? We write it in this place. So I have written Valley of Flowers. Next is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, beta ocean है ना, so we can see the ocean word comes under the head water bodies. Water bodies में आता है, so we will write Atlantic Ocean. Deccan Plateau, you can read the word plateau, and plateau is a form of land, so we will write it over here. Then is the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert, what is Thar Desert? It is a water body or a land form? Desert is a form of land, so we have written Thar Desert over here. Now last is Arctic Ocean. So where is Arctic Ocean? Arctic Ocean. So Arctic Ocean. Ocean is a form of water body, so we will write it over here. Okay. So in this way you will complete this exercise, children. Now we will move to the MCQ part. Crops grow easily in the deserts में crops grow होते हैं क्या? No. In plains? Yes. Hills में? No. Land is dash in desert, dry or sandy? It is dry also and it is sandy also, because rain तो आती नहीं है, so it is dry and sandy both. Mountains are dash than hills. Mountains are lower? No, they are higher than hills. Smaller? No, they are bigger than hills. Steeper? Yes, they have a steep slope, means they have steep, means they have sharp slopes than hills. So it is steeper. An dash piece of land that is surrounded by water. So an Iceland, a glacier water body होता है, तो it cannot be. Peninsula, it is surrounded by water on 3 sides, not on 4 sides. So it is surrounded by water on all the sides is island. So we will cut A, and an Iceland is a piece of land. Okay. Now, dash is a fresh water body that is similar to lake. So what is a fresh water body that is similar to lake? Lake से मिलता जुलता कौन सा है? River? No. Sea? No. Pond? Yes. There are dash oceans in the world. How many are there? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So we have 5 oceans in the world. Dash is the major river of India. So what is the major river of India? Nile is the major river of world. Wooler is a lake. So it is Ganga. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific, Indian or Antarctic. We have read it is the Pacific Ocean. Wooler Lake is in Madhya Pradesh? No. Gujarat? No. We have read it is in Jammu and Kashmir. The lowland between the hills and mountains is called as a, जो लैंड माउंटेन्स और हिल्स के बीच में से आती है, that is low. What is it called? It is called as valley. Okay. Now children, I am giving you a small homework. This is the application part in your observation book. After you have done the MCQ, this is the application part. So children, here you have to find out any 3 types of landform present in India. Also collect and paste the picture. Write the type of landform and its example. So children, what you can do is, this is the picture of peninsula that we have seen in the chapter also. So he has just cut out the picture of peninsula and written over here पेनिनसुला, लैंडफॉर्म कौन सा है? पेनिनसुला, एंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन इंडिया। ओके, तो आप भी या तो यहाँ पर कोई पिक्चर कट करके पेस्ट कर सकते हो और यू कैन ड्रॉ ओवर योर। सो 1, 2 and 3. So you have 3 places to paste a picture. So you have to paste a picture of different landform. कोई भी landform आपकी choice का आप choose करके यहाँ पर paste कर सकते हो. You have to write is which landform it is and where is it. वो कहाँ पर है आपको वो भी लिखना है. Okay, same in all the 3. Okay children. So children, this is all for today. We shall continue with the copy work of the same chapter. Okay, so till then you complete your book works and we shall meet in the next class very soon. So bye bye, have a good day and take good care of yourselves.